How to design invitation card in Picsart. Need to create a custom invite? Here's how to design an invitation card in Picsart. Start with a black canvas, ideally sized for print or digital shading. Browse templates or build your own design from scratch with backgrounds and shapes. Add event details using the text tool and choose fonts that match the occasion. Elegant for weddings or playful for parties. Decorate with stickers, icons, or colors to match your theme. Once everything looks polished, export your invite as a high quality image or PDF. Do you design digital invites or print them out? Share your style in the comments below. Save your invite as a template so you can reuse and tweak it for future events. And that's how you can design invitation card in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.